like that.
Hello, you cut. You know what's your clearing distance or not?
It's like come here.
I cut. I signal. I go. You come. You hit me like that. What's your clearance distance? Huh? How can you cut me so close?
You want to block my car.
I want to turn right. I going Cactus Road.
Right. How far you turn?
I turn fast.
You like that.
How can you